In the darkness, some spores begin to awaken. It's not a game plant, it's my handmade creation. The following is the production process. Prepare the materials. First, I make a wire frame to support the shape. Then I sculpt the mushroom cap, the teeth, and those creepy ribs. Now it's time to make the iPod. Oh no, my little one is causing trouble. Whenever I have free time, it comes to me and wants me to play with it. If I don't play with it, it keeps causing trouble. I'm currently mixing glow-in-the-dark powder and UV glue and applying it to the mushrooms white so it can glow at night. They also coated the mushroom stems with glow-in-the-dark powder. This made them look even more mysterious. Irradiate with ultraviolet light to allow the UV adhesive to harden quickly. The main body is complete. Now we'll begin coloring. I blend red and black to make it look effective. Now it's time to stick the prepared blue mycelium spores onto it. Curing is achieved by irradiation with ultraviolet light. This is the base for making a mushroom. Making it look like the mushroom is slowly emerging from the soil. Sprinkle grass powder on the base to make it look real. In their life, it's just a weird mushroom monster. This is what it is like at night. It starts glowing, as if the spores have awakened it. If you like this style, don't forget to subscribe. More creepy clay creatures are coming soon.